Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gift wrap a gift and make personalized cards and tags right in Cricut Design Space.
So the star of the show, I believe, in making a personalized gift is the card. The card gives you a chance to write some amazing sentiments and really let the person that you're giving the gift to how much they mean to you and how much this gift means as well. For today's card, I'm going to show you how to make it in Cricut Design Space. All the fonts that I'm going to be using today, I got them and downloaded them from Creative Fabrica. And I will have a link below if you want to try out Creative Fabrica and get 10 downloads for free and give it a try. You won't regret it.
I'm going to align it to the bottom and make sure it is distributed evenly. Now, if you wanted your fonts a little bit closer, you could definitely group them. But make sure they're all aligned so I could go on to the next step.
Now I'm going to group the text together, and I'm just going to size it so it goes right across the heart like this. And I'm going to just copy and paste and duplicate the happy birthday sentiment so that way it fills the complete heart. I'm not going to worry about it being perfectly aligned at this time because once I'm done, I'll go ahead and align everything and get it distributed evenly. Well, if you're enjoying this type of content, you're learning a little bit or a lot here at the channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button because we would love to show you what we have to offer here at Crafting with Shaneda. Now I went ahead and sliced the text with the heart, and now I have the text perfectly aligned in my heart-shaped template. I'm going to go ahead and bring in the front of my card and flatten it. Make sure it's aligned center, and then flatten my design. So now I want to add even a more personalized touch, and I'm going to put the recipient's name and then their age on top of my design. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this out in like a gold cardstock. So I'll go ahead and change the color to reflect that. And now that I'm happy with the way everything looks, I'm going to go ahead and send it to my mat to make it. And let's get ready to assemble the card.
And as I mentioned before in my prior videos, when I upload a font into Cricut Design Space, I like to bookmark them so it makes it easier for me to find them for my future projects. So I went ahead and uploaded my file when I was not in Cricut Design Space so it could be imported, and I'm going to go ahead and add the text for my tags. So I'm going to weld everything together and get ready to make my gift tag. Now for my gift tag, I tried something new. I actually use heat transfer vinyl on my gift tag. Yeah, using my Cricut mini press. I am on a very low setting. I went ahead and used the HTV iron-on, and guys, I stopped right there because it was coming out so amazing. Definitely my new go-to is using that HTV iron-on my cardstock. It is very durable cardstock. This is about 90 pounds, and I will have the description, the link listed below. And these, I think this is great when you want to use scripted fonts and you don't want to worry about it tearing or ripping. This came out perfect. And I added some gold twine. And that just made this special touch for this beautiful gift tag. What do you think? Would you give this a try? Let me know in the comments below. So we made a beautiful card, check. We have a beautiful gift tag, check. Now it's time to put all the gifts together. I didn't really go into much detail with this gift idea. I did a resin coaster, well actually a trinket tray, a coaster, and then with the remaining resin, I made a key chain, some earrings, and a necklace. If you do want to see a video of how I made this particular set, I will make one for you. Just let me know in the description box below. But I have a couple of resin videos already in my video library. I just wanted to show you how to put all of this Happy crafting! Together. So this resin Cricut tray came out so beautiful against the blue and the gold. And then I put an inspirational quote by Maya Angelou, the phenomenal woman. And then I'm just preparing the earrings and the little necklace to match. I really enjoy making my own gifts. I think it just adds a special touch. I have these little boxes that I got from Amazon to put the necklace and earrings in. And then here I'm adding the hardware for the keychain. And everything came out so perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. And you know we are ready to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda.